Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading How to Send a Hug by Hayley Rocco and John Roscoe. Please enjoy. Or John Rocco. How to Send a Hug. I love hugs. I've been told I'm really good at giving them. I can give tall hugs. I can give short hugs. I could give a sorry, I hope you're feeling better hug. But sometimes it's just not possible to give a hug like the one I want to give to my grandma Gertie, who lives so far away. Her hugs smell like roses. We can talk on the phone a lot, but it's just not the same. We could talk on the computer, but that's not the same. Luckily, I learned how to send a hug. Let me show you. First, get something to write with. This marker is my favorite. Then find the right, just perfect piece of paper. Now you can create your hug. You can use words or draw pictures or even do both. Take plenty of time because this is an important hug. When you're finished, fold it very carefully. Your hug will be going on a long journey. Put it in a special jacket to keep it safe and warm. And write on the jacket who it's going to and where they live, so your hug doesn't get lost along the way. And it's most important, your hug needs a ticket for its trip. Carefully stick it in just the right spot. There are many places where your hug can begin its journey. It could be right in front of your house. It could be on the street corner. Or it could be just a slot in the wall. Soon the hug delivery specialist will pick it up. They will take it to a special building where all the hugs are sorted and their jackets are stamped so that they all end up in the right place. Can you manage all the hugs that go through there? Then you have to wait while your hug completes its journey. And wait, and wait. This is the hardest part, I've been told, but I'm not very patient. I like to think about all the hugs and the journey that they go on. Some fly through the air, some go over waves, and some ride past prairies, over hills, and through mountains. Right now, hugs are all over the world and are being delivered by 2 legs and 4 legs, by 4 wheels and 2 wheels, by skis, by carts, and even on boats. And when they arrive after their incredible adventure, the real magic happens. How will you know if your hug arrives safely? Because when you send a hug, you might just get one in return. It may even smell like roses. Dear reader, when I was little, my mother, a kindergarten teacher, helped me practice the alphabets by writing letters to family members who lived far away. Writing letters was how we stayed connected, as long distance phone calls were very expensive. At least that's what my mom said. The excitement of writing and receiving letters was a big part of my childhood. One of my uncles who traveled quite often for work would send postcards and letters from all over the world. I loved studying the ecstatic postage. It could tell from the date stamps how long the letter took to write. These messages traveled farther than I could imagine. When I leave home to visit family in California during the summer, I'd write to my best friends who would be visiting their grandparents in New Jersey, knowing our letters were going to be hand delivered by the way across the United States for the cost of a 25-cent stamp. Made it all more exciting. We challenged each other to see how much we could stuff into an envelope. Rather, it was a picture, cutouts of a movie star, labels, or stickers. One time, she sent me some clippings of her dog fur in a letter. Today is easy, quick, and pretty much free to make a phone call, send an email, or text. Over the magic of writing and receiving letters has never left me. I still have letters from my grandpa that I took at from time to time. His words and drawings bring me right back to our shared together. I hope you could find the time to experience the same sense of magic I had when I was young. And like me, you will be able to hold on to the people who mattered in your life through the letters you share. Thank you for reading this book and for sharing your hugs with the people I love. Yours truly, Hayley. Well, that's true. You know, if you always want to send a hug, do it by a letter. That's the way to do it. but be creative. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? I would love that as well. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one and take care, everybody.